Arrowquip one-way sorting alley assembly video. This video is intended to be a supplement to the assembly manual provided with your product. Please be sure to read your assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. The parts are very heavy. To assemble this product, you will need a forklift, 2 people, 3/4 wrench, and a 9/16 wrench. From the factory, you will receive the sorting alley mainframe, 1 45-degree panel, 1 sort alley bow, 4 45-degree panel couplers, 4 1/2-inch by 5-inch carriage bolts, 8 1/2-inch by 3-inch carriage bolts, 12 1/2-inch flange nuts, 1 16-inch extension spring, 1 90-degree panel, 1 6-foot rope with snap link. Connect the 45-degree panel to the main frame using 2 45-degree panel couplers, 4 3-inch carriage bolts, and 4 flange nuts. Connect 90-degree panel to the main frame using 2 5-inch carriage bolts and flange nuts. Connect the sort bow to the 90-degree panel using 2 5-inch carriage bolts and flange nuts. Then connect the sort bow to the 45-degree panel using 2 45-degree panel couplers, 4 3-inch carriage bolts, and 4 flange nuts. Install the 16-inch extension spring. Connect the clip on the rope to the eye bolt on the door. Thread the rope through the center eye bolt on the main frame. Thread the rope through the corner eye bolt on the main frame and secure on the rope tie hook. Attach the sorting alley to your system and enjoy your new one-way sorting alley.